Well, it's Jeffro from 2Hex Garage. Me and Kenny are heading out to St. Louis to go pick up the chassis tubing for my car. It's really, really cold out. Luckily, the roads aren't bad, but the temperatures are in the negatives, and it's early in the morning. It's cold. Want to get back and get this shit dropped off to Jimmy's. That way we can start on it. Kenny, what do you think?
I think this will be a good project for you, bud.
Yep, it's going to be a good project. If you saw, Kenny's the official hauler of Rowdy, my 521 cubic inch Ford Thunderbird, and he's helped me out along with this. I owe this man a steak dinner or whatever he needs. So with that, we'll be back in a little bit. All right, well, Kenny and I just picked up the steel. Very cold in that building. It's very cold outside. Our hands are frozen just from getting that steel loaded up on the trailer, strapped down, even wearing gloves. We are in the middle of the cold snap, but as you saw, we just passed the Mississippi. We're back in the Illinois side, or People's Republic of Illinois, or whatever you want to call it. We're heading to Jimmy's right now. We got a few hours, so him and I are just going to chill. We're going to drive, get there, unload this so we can actually get this project going and get this chassis built. The guys at Shapiro Steel were awesome. I got a really good deal. And yeah, so we're frozen and we're heading back. See ya. All right, back at Jimmy's. It's freezing. Here's the tubing I got. Quite a bit of tubing. It is 4130 chromoly. It got different various thicknesses, 1 inch, 3/4, 1.25 inches, and 7/8. And it is all 063 wall thickness. So yeah, got the tubing. Now what we need to do is just get this thing built. Make it sound so easy. You know what? Let's go check on what Jimmy's been doing. All right, so here's what we got going on. While I was doing my thing, Jimmy's been going through and doing a lot of re-welds, getting stuff fixed, moving bars around, all that fun jazz. He's TIG welding everything. He's pretty meticulous about this. I really don't know enough about it to explain it, but I can tell you this, it's going to be much better welds and it's going to be a whole lot stronger. What we're going to do is we're just going to put this on time lapse and watch Jimmy weld.
There's two old sayings. comes to mind. Silk purse and a sow's ear. Think about it.
Yep. Words of wisdom from Jimmy. Let's watch him do his thing. See you in a few. All right, well, we're continuing on the welding. Actually, Jimmy is back there. Like I said, I went and got the steel, had a little road trip with Kenny. Got to give him much thanks for going on a really, really cold, snowy, crappy day to St. Louis with me. Currently it's -10 out. Luckily it's warm in the shop. He's going over every single weld on this chassis. Re-TIG welding stuff he doesn't find. He's been moving some bars around. Everything needed to be done on that. Had a nice little surprise when I got back here. Deke Denning, tech guy for the AHRA. He was here hanging out. Him and Jimmy go way back. They worked together on an injected Hemi front engine dragster back in like 78 or 79. So yeah, things are progressing. Got a whole lot of work to do. Like I said, I want to document everything on this. But yeah, it's going. Jimmy's back there. He's welding away, and we got the tubing. So pretty soon, once this is done, we're going to set this room up, and we're going to start building the front end of that dragster. With that, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Later.